Money Pilot Review. Is this finance app legit? If you've come across the Money Pilot Finance app and are wondering whether it's a legitimate app worth using or potentially something to be cautious about, this review will walk you through what the app claims to offer, how it works, and important things to consider before you download or start using it. Money Pilot is presented as a personal finance app that helps users manage money, track expenses, set budgets, monitor savings, or gain insights into spending habits all from one place. The appeal of such an app is clear: simple tools to help organize your finances, build better money habits, and stay on top of financial goals. Getting started with Money Pilot typically involves downloading the app, creating an account, and linking financial accounts or entering your income and expenses manually. A user-friendly interface can make setup feel smooth, with easy-to-read dashboards and clear menus that show your financial picture at a glance. However, a clean design alone doesn't guarantee legitimacy or real value. One of the most important factors with finance apps is security and privacy. Trusted finance apps use strong encryption to protect your data, have clear privacy policies, and request only necessary permissions related to financial tracking. If the app lacks robust security safeguards or has vague privacy terms, that's a red flag worth noting. Another key consideration is transparency around features and costs. Legitimate personal finance apps clearly explain which features are free and which require subscription or in-app purchases, and provide detailed terms of service so you know exactly what you're signing up for. Unclear pricing or hidden fees can reduce trust and value. User feedback and reviews are also useful signals. Verified reviews that mention secure performance, helpful tools, and reliable tracking are positive signs of legitimacy. Generic or overly positive comments without detail make it harder to confirm the app's trustworthiness. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, Money Pilot may appeal to users who want a straightforward, user-friendly way to organize their finances, track expenses, and set budgets. Helpful dashboards and visibility into spending can make it easier to stay aware of your financial habits. On the downside, the cons focus on transparency and trust. Some key features may be locked behind a subscription, and limited verified user feedback can make it harder to gauge long-term reliability and satisfaction. Security and privacy considerations, especially how your financial data is protected, should be reviewed carefully. In summary, Money Pilot can be worth trying if you're looking for a simple personal finance tool to help organize budgets and expenses. However, unclear pricing, mixed feedback, and security considerations mean you should proceed with caution, review privacy terms closely, and compare it with well-established finance apps before committing.